Kerrigan. We've neutralized the Protoss, but there's a wave of Zerg advancing on this position. We need immediate evac.
Belay that order. We're moving out.
What? You're not just gonna leave us?
All ships prepare to move away from Tarsonis on my mark.
Boys, how about that evac?
Damn you, Arcturus. Don't do this.
It's done. Helmsman, signal the fleet and take us out of orbit. Now!
Commander. Jim? What the hell's going on up there?
I've been cleaning up after you a lot lately.
Leave it alone, Matt.
Same dream?
I said, leave it alone.
What happened to Kerrigan wasn't your fault.
Which part? Where she got left behind? Or where she murdered 8 billion people?
Same old bullshit. You ain't gonna listen. Do you even see what you're becoming?
We are who we choose to be, Matt.
When you figure it out, let us know. We're waiting on you.
Kate Lockwell for UNN. The elusive Queen of Blades was spotted on Tirador recently. Dr. Emil Nerud, head of the renowned Mobius Foundation, had a run-in with the alien queen, but is currently unavailable for comment. In a statement, Dr. Nerud credited Raynor's raiders with keeping the Queen of Blades from achieving
Kate,
her—
I'm sorry to interrupt, but we have a breaking story. Apparently, go to commercial, please. Commercial.
What goes bump in the night? It might be your gifted child. Register your child with PsyOps today. It's the law. It's your duty. He's a bad, bad man, that Tychus. He got a lot to hide.
You think he's setting us up? His missions have been leading us straight to Kerrigan.
Maybe you and Kerrigan keep running into each other because you both want the same thing. But Tychus, there's something else he don't want you to know. I can't see what. Just watch your back. Always remember that he's a force of destruction, that one. A stone killer.
Good to see you, sir. All available missions are ready for your perusal on the star map.
Matt, hell, just... thanks, I guess.
Yeah, I've been thinking about Tirador. And you know, there's gotta be better ways to make a fast buck than diving headlong into an alien invasion.
If it gets too hairy for you, just try and think of the money.
I'm trying, old buddy. I'm trying real hard.
The decrypted adjutant contains records proving Mengsk ordered the massacre on Tarsonis. Now we just need to broadcast those records. Mirahan gave us a tip that might help. The Dominion is unveiling a new war machine called the Odin on Korhal. If we hijack the Odin, we can use it to gain access to the UNN studios and broadcast the records of Mengsk's war crimes. The Odin is currently in the testing facility on Valhalla.
Our team's in position. We're ready to steal the Odin. Are you absolutely sure about this, sir?
Yep. Tychus is definitely our best man for this kind of job. He does get a little excited in combat. We're gonna need to keep up with him once the fighting starts.
If he can actually commandeer the Odin, it's vital that we take out all the Dominion bases in the area. Hopefully we can block all transmissions long enough for him to do that. We can't risk word of this getting back to Korhal.
How much do we know about this Odin?
It's an experimental super-heavy siege walker designed for prolonged frontline combat. Very powerful.
Great. Even Tychus can't wreck it then.
Here they go.
Go, go, go! You gonna give me order? This ain't a stealth mission anymore, ladies. Bring it loud and fast. Gangway, coming through. I'm on it. Roger that. 10-4. Will do.
Sir, you seem to have found something very interesting there. If you can bring me a sample in the lab, that would be great.
Activate the auto turrets!
Oh, you ain't keeping me from that monster. Aye, aye, sir. Sure. Yes, sir. Damn. I can't wait to get inside that thing and tear this place up.
Hold your position, Tychus. Let us get a support force up there to cover you.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
Damn it, Tychus. Stand down. Can you read me?
He's got it stuck on transmit, sir. He can't hear us at all. Defenses are coming online at the Dominion bases.
Wonderful. Get our base set up ASAP. We'll just have to follow him in and hope he doesn't get too crazy. Now, hold my kid.
Bad news? This better be good. SCV ready. You gonna give me orders? Of course. You got it.
Let's see what this baby's got.
Been waiting on you. Yes, sir.
Add-on complete.
Sir, I'm picking up Dominion battle cruisers on an intercept course with the Odin.
Hey, Hotshot, you want these Wraith fighters now? They'll take down a battlecruiser easy. You can build more to stop for.
Thrusters to max. Sectors locked in.
Let's see.
SCV ready. Bad news? Yeah. Transmit coordinates. Been waiting. SCV ready. What's going on?
So what's the plan now, Commander? Trash them bases, right? Jimmy? Partner? Can you hear me? Well, if you ain't gonna tell me not to have a little fun, I'm gonna have a little fun. Oh, here I
go. In the rear with this baby.
Oh, you want some of this? Boom.
Got it. By the number. We could use some help here.
Give us your best!
Big job.
Additional supply depots required. Our allies are being attacked.
Sweet. You just keep me repaired, Jimmy. I'll win this whole war for you.
Does he always talk this much, sir?
Yep, once you get him in a fight, he never shuts up.
Well, now that's done with. I'm gonna take me a little break. Good thing I brought me some liquid refreshment.
Go ahead. Woo-hoo! Overtime. SCV ready. SCV ready.
Now that is the spot. There's nothing like knocking back a cold one on top of your enemy's smoking corpses.
SCV ready.
I see your little guys running around down there, Jimmy. They look like ants. I can't wait no longer. Here it comes.
Give us your best shot!
Coordinates received. Sector locked in. We could use some help here.
Got no paper!
flashy red button. Fine. Boom, baby. This is gonna hurt you a lot more than it's gonna hurt me. You want some of this? Time to kick ass and chew bubble gum. Damn. Now that is hot.
Our allies are being attacked.
Oh yeah, that's a negatory. It's blocked. Reckon you boys will need some time to catch up. Good old Tychus be right here taking it easy. Just wake me up when you're all ready. I reckon a small nuke ought to do it. Go ahead. Give us Gangway, coming through. Why not? Got no patience waiting on you. Sure. Who wants some? Give us your best shot! Yep.
Trent, go ahead, Command. Coordinates?
You gonna get by the number? Come on, Jimmy. We got heads to break. Move it. What's that? Arm? Speak up. Absolutely.
Add-on complete.
Sure thing. Boom, baby. Go ahead. Sure thing. Yep. This is gonna hurt you a lot more than it's gonna hurt me. Need something loaded up? Bro, what's that? Lay it on me.
Not enough minerals.
Sure thing. It's your dime.
Our allies are being attacked.
Attack formation. Coordinates received. Will do, Command.
You want some of this? Outstanding. I'm on it. Time to kick ass and chew bubble gum.
Transmit coordinates. Coordinates received.
Boom, baby. Anyway, coming armed and ready.
3 bases down. Maybe the convict has his uses after all.
You know, I think I'll take me another breather. You better get some backup ready for me, Jimmy.
Add-on complete.
I'll give it my best shot.
Base add-on is under complete.
This better be good.
The doctor is in.
Oh, why not?
Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals.
Big job, huh? SCV ready. It's about to get heavy. 10-4.
Here we go. I'm hitting my stride now.
SCV ready. Bad news? You gonna give me orders? Roger that. Speak up! This better be good. Why not?
This is gonna hurt you a lot more than it's gonna hurt me.
Got it. Yes, sir. What's up? Sure.
I have no idea what that is. Can you bring me a sample in the lab? Maybe something good will come of it.
You got it.
Our allies are being attacked.
Armed and ready.
Standing by. Want some of this?
Go ahead. What's going on? In the rear with the gear.
Not enough energy. Not enough energy.
SCV ready.
Add-on complete.
This is gonna get tricky. I'm detecting battle cruisers at the next base, and the Odin doesn't have strong anti-air capabilities.
Scramble more wraiths from the starport. If we have enough, we can handle those battle cruisers.
Now that was fun. Don't worry, old buddy. I'll give you some time to catch up. Well, I'll be. Those Dominion eggheads really thought of everything. Pardon me a moment.
SCV ready.
Base is under attack.
The doctor is in.
Not enough energy.
There we go. Ready, kid.
Mineral field depleted.
It's about to get heavy.
Whoa, they're all over me.
Sure thing. Gangway, coming through. By the number.
Mineral field depleted.
You got it.
I hope you're reading this, Jimmy, because I'm heading for the last base now.
You gonna give me orders?
Reporting in. Will do, Commander. Vector locked in. Roger. Declaration. Read the waiting orders. Roger. Time to kick ass and chew bubblegum.
By the number.
Boom, baby. This is gonna hurt you a lot more than it's gonna hurt me. Hello there. Now, how'd I miss this button with a skull on it?
Nuclear launch detected.
You're in for a world of pain.
Excellent. With the Odin secured, we can hit the UNN complex on Core Hall and make our broadcast.
Hey, you hear me, Captain? Maybe next time you'll trust old Tychus with a little bit of mayhem.
That's about all I trust you with, Tychus.